life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Rachel's breakfast in the Windjammer. I think I might just stick with coffee for this morning. I'm not very hungry. And this is our view of Valencia. It's just kind of like a port. Nothing too exciting, but I think we're going to walk to a beach that's not too far away. Port of Valencia. Nothing special.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Jillian.
And we're the Cruising Sisters, and welcome to day 8 of our Vision of the Seas by Royal Caribbean Cruise Vlogs. We have been on this ship for 7 nights. This is our last day. We have one more night, and then we are on to our next cruise.
I can't believe it's already day 8. We've had the best time on this cruise. If you've watched our last cruise vlogs, you know what we've been up to. And today is a day just like any other. We have already been to the Windjammer this morning and went to the solarium, just sat there for a few minutes enjoying
Finished
the
our
sun.
coffee.
Yes, had our morning coffee and gotten all ready. We have put all of our sunscreen on and we are heading to a beach. Today we are in Valencia, Spain, and a beach is only 20-minute walk from the cruise port. So that's our plan today. I think it's supposed to be 37 degrees
it's
today.
a warm one.
So it will be crazy hot. So we will be finding shade, I'm sure, and getting in the water. But
You'd
we will
think we'd be used to this weather by now, but we definitely are not.
It just
hits you as soon
just-
as you get outside.
It just keeps getting hotter. So that's our plan today. We are going to head up for lunch before we get off the ship. It's about 11:30 right
The
now.
Windjammer should have just opened, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So that's our plan right now. Up to the Windjammer for lunch and then off the ship for a beach. Heading up to the Windjammer on deck 9. So we're on deck 3, going all the way up to 9.
Whoop whoop, good time. It's only about an hour, but I'm hungry.
In the Windjammer, and you can see a few jellyfish in the water all the way from deck 9. So those must be pretty big down there. There's one. Earlier I saw like 20. Oh, there's another one. I saw so many in the water. It's crazy. But this is our view from the Windjammer. This is lunch, pineapple, some cheese and meat, tomato, hummus, salmon, and a little sandwich. Rachel's already started digging in, but surprise, she has pita and
of habit.
hummus.
Chicken and a little bit of pasta.
Looks good. The worst part of every cruise is getting this luggage tag in time to get off the ship, which it will be tomorrow morning for us.
Off to the next one.
Thank you. It's 2:30. We got here around 12, so we've already been here for 2.5 hours, so we will probably be leaving shortly to go up to the pool, but this beach is absolutely beautiful. Just left the beach. Well, we're still there, but we're
on our way back. At least
about to leave. It's about 3:30, so we've had a lot of time in the sun, and are heading back to the ship now. Probably just to go read by the pool.
Yeah,
maybe.
we'll probably go back to the pool. We're already hungry again.
Yeah, and grab a snack or something.
Yes, maybe a coffee, and just enjoy our last full day on board.
And ship. Chocolate covered strawberries from the Diamond Lounge. Looks good. Alright, Rach and I have come back to the room. I've just done a little bit of packing. As you can see, I still have quite a lot to do. But we have dinner in about 5 minutes, so I should get ready. I already have my dress on because we showered right when we got back to the ship to get all of the sand and salt water off. But we have 5 minutes to get to dinner, so of course we're going to be late as usual, but that's fine. And then I guess I will finish packing whenever we come back to the room next. I think we have a show at 8 or something that we wanted to do at 8 in the Centrum, and something again at 8:45, and then karaoke at 10:15. So I guess we'll see when we can get back to pack up, because I know that tomorrow will be way too busy of a morning to pack in the morning. All right, Rachel and I have just gotten ready for dinner. It is 6:33, so far only 3 minutes late. By the time we get out there, probably 10 minutes late.
Well, right.
But
It's not a big ship.
No, so we are all ready for dinner. What do we have on tonight, Rach? Do you remember?
We have, it's a few random things. There's some live music in the Centrum we'll probably listen to because there's nothing else. We'll have a few drinks with that. And the main show, there's only one tonight. Usually there is 2 showings, but there's only one at 9:45, and it seems like the type of show we'd like. Some flips, some acrobats, that kind of thing. So we'll have to get there a little bit early with only one showing.
I know that there's karaoke for the last
karaoke
time.
at the end. And then of course we'll end up at our favorite bar with our favorite bartender.
Yes.
Jill will add his Instagram here if
Of course.
he's watching. And we'll get a few drinks for the last night.
Sounds good. And then probably head up to the club just to see what it's like tonight. Probably won't stay too late. I know that we still have to do some packing before tomorrow.
Yes.
And then we have an early morning tomorrow.
As you know, we
well.
didn't pack in a carry-on, so it shouldn't take us too...
We just have a bunch of little dresses like these ones to
shouldn't take
roll
us
up
too
in.
long, yeah.
All right, let's head to dinner before we're too late.
A little green moment for us.
Let's go. Heading to our final dinner on Vision of the Seas. Next stop, Norwegian Epic. We are sailing away from our last port, heading into dinner. Starting with the gluten-free bread and cheese plate. Rachel and I both got the same thing, the watermelon feta salad. Yummy! And the barbecue baby back ribs. Rach and I, again, both got the same thing. And it looks absolutely delicious. Hopefully we don't get any on our dresses. The warm chocolate cookie and the chocolate mousse. We just finished up dinner and we are outside. Rachel's taking a selfie, thank you. Dinner was really good. I had the ribs. I really liked mine. I don't think Rachel liked hers as much as I did.
Jill's had way more sauce.
Yeah, so mine was pretty good. And now we are probably going to head to the casino for one last time and then down to pack probably is what I'm thinking. I know. But the good news is that we're only packing to get onto another ship.
Shake it, baby.
This is definitely the saddest part about cruising. When everyone puts their suitcases out, means it's the last night.
So sad.
But so excited for Norwegian. We are heading to the Masquerade Theatre for showtime, and there is another hush party going on in Suntrim. We are at the farewell show. This Schooner bar once again, live music. Heading to the Viking Crown Lounge for the club.
Cheers! Spent too long at the Schooner bar with our favorite bartender.
Of course, the ship is very quiet. The last night usually is very quiet. People go to bed early because long travel days in the morning.
Like that, 8 nights on our cruise is over.
Yes, our
So
final night is over. We are back in our room now. We had such a great cruise, such a good night. Everything was so wonderful.
So good. It's usually at this point we are very, very sad. It's not a fun time the last night. You see all the suitcases in the hallway.
You have to say goodbye to all
everybody
of the
you
people
met,
you met, and all of the
whether
bartenders,
it's-
the crew, everyone that
guests,
you've interacted
everybody.
with. It's kind of a very sad day.
You do get
but-
pretty close to them, whether it's a week or 8 nights. You do get pretty close to everyone, so it's sad, but
the good news is we are looking forward to the Norwegian Epic, which we are going on not tomorrow, but the next day. So we have a very exciting week ahead of us, so we can't be too sad.
no.
Right? Lots of good times to be had in the future.
I would say this highlight of our cruise was the Schooner bar. Hanging out in the Schooner bar, there's live music, there's good bartending. We met a lot of great friends
Yes.
there, doing the same thing as us, and then we would head on up to the club and just do some dancing.
Danced, drank a little bit of fancy drinks.
Some fancy
Delicious.
cocktails. Yeah.
Yes.
So overall, we always had great nights, great days at port, but then also great nights on the cruise. So
Yes.
overall, a very successful cruise. Thank you so much if you followed along with all of our cruise vlogs. I know there was a lot, but
Yes.
we were very busy and we filmed it all.
Yeah, we are very tired, so our day tomorrow in Barcelona, I'm sure, will be spent relaxing. But yes, thank you again for following along, and stay tuned for Norwegian Epic.
Yes! Our first cruise vlogs on Norwegian. So we've been on Norwegian several times before, but we haven't vlogged at all. So this will be a great experience to show you our love for Norwegian, because it's almost as high as our love for Royal.
Yes. Well, we'll see after this Norwegian cruise if it can top Royal
Comparing
or
them
not.
back to back.
So we'll keep you updated.
See you in the next one.
Make sure you like and subscribe.